Mm-hmm. 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 Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see, set the path for the youth, share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, sir. Greetings again, now the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You see, that one I just jumble it up together for LEE and Ninjaman. I start with LEE first. You see, the reason why I go so hard at you and your friend and your fan them, is because my sister, from a criminal perspective, you don't know what you do. You is a wannabe. You see, it's like a press button where just approve to the world every day. So, well, you can't be a bad man. You could have did be a bad man. You never did have to be a DJ. No, but I feel like it's true me a DJ, man, I eat that man soft. You see, we know all of that. You see, but let me tell you what you do, youth. When you not do that, because we not eat that, you know. You see it, and nobody can trick you and twist you on the finger and go on like say them want to come. Sell man a samphire. You're mad. I years out of that me do, you know. You see it. Mad. Tell you something, you. A peer pressure you submit to. A bully. All of the man them where indicate like so well you're soft, you're not a bad man because you're a DJ, or anybody will give you them impression there. A bully them bully you, man. You see it. The man they don't really rate you. And mouth you and pressure you, peer pressure you until you go start do certain things and a step certain way like you're idiot. And while doing so, them never even expect you to do it. Them just want to see how far them can press you and how much them can use you and be in control and be in your head. Because some mankind stay, you know. You see, but youth and youth, I tell you, say, you see the goodness about that, about all of them peer pressure there and all of them things there where your friend them and other people who go on around you forget to do things where sometimes them themselves couldn't do if the situation was reversed. And the better man walk away and continue to do what him did and make a guy stay with what him think. You see it. Even him, whether I try pressure you for move for him way, always I got respect you in the long run, you know, and at the end when him say you stick to you firm up in your position and maintain your stance and continue along your path. That man, no matter how bad him did be, much people him did kill already, how much not him have under him belt or whatever, him gonna have more respect for you when him observe and realize, say, you know, so I can't get a youth to swing. Eventually, him gonna have more respect for you than what him would did have for you if you did follow film track. You see it? And stop go learn trade and start come hang out with him pan corner and post with him gun in him waist. Believe you me, my general, him no rate you. Yeah, him all laugh and smile on your face. I mean, I say for him, you have to step in and see people rate you and people afraid of you and rate dirt. Dog, I do it, road, rate. Yeah. Company, him a look. Him a look somebody for help watch film when him lock up in the bathroom and bed. Him a look somebody for take some of the blame for him when certain crime go on and things like that. You might look at another name where they might call instead of him. He's have some of the pressure. You know, see? And all of these things. You know, see? So when you don't fall in them trap there, which me know that you're the family because you're never a bad man before you start, before you get rich. You know, when you're rich, you turn bad man. Even if you was a bad man before you get rich, every bad man as soon as them get rich, them don't want to lose them money. You know, see? So them just ease off of certain things and now try to crisis span themselves for threaten them picnic, them future, or any farmer survival where them have plan, like them have in store. So the guy can't come tell me nothing about man make mistake and thing like that. And a man make them a boy mistake them when you're rich and go find yourself with illegal gun, especially illegal gun where you have two body pan it. And if that's not the case, yeah. You know the atmosphere between you and the police there. You sing whole heap of dislike and whole heap of chat and speeches and wait. In regards to them work and regards to them process, like the police are idiot, like police lie, like police are targeted and thing like that. Yo, me we willingness to I want thing with gangsters, some gangsters make them live out them there. You hear them with challenge allegations and case and accusations against them, yes. Innocently and try to get where I fight and thing like that. But you never hear them walk and go around and a bonfire upon the people and accuse them like so well then. God no exists. Like so well then, them don't know so well then me do for show. I get her with it. No. People like gonna just go around and the face of righteousness. Gonna defend on the evil action and plead innocently and ball on camera in front of people like so well then people just wicked against them and thing like that. And it's a lie. You see it? And I them thing that the devil love. So the devil love getting in the trouble and mixing up and twisting around for him to come back and create them sort of star my impression there. Chaotically. For him sit down and laugh and enjoy himself and feel nice. Angel from hell. You know see it? You constantly do them thing there. So no what I tell me I go on like so well then. Me for sorry for a boy I chat or show any form of remorse and then I talk about man used to step to. I step in them there what no boy I do, you know. I don't think me I want to you can come associate or come go like you want come. I want to you can come rub shoulder to shoulder with what man used to do with compared to what I do today. And I respect, fix up that. I want to you. What I do nowadays and I step in. What I do a terrorism. You don't benefit nobody and you don't terrorize everybody. Nobody not like you. You go with that dirty boy. You come associate yourself with man, but man and you used to do the same thing and our man help mash up job. You don't go and go hold on responsibility. And stop going like you don't want to blame. You don't blame on the parents for the way the struggling where them go through. You know see it? You don't have life. That's why most man, well-thinking man sing thank you mama for the 9 months to carry me. You know man I sing and I talk about mama with the rest of 18 years there, where you make me suffer. You ever hear nobody sing and I chat them thing there on a nasty corrupt mentality. When you come from with them type of thing there. You know wall on a one man and tension and no responsibility. And wall on a bird because that you don't deserve. Because enough people pick me on the action and attitude, kill, send a prison, and you still have some people without moral fortitude we come on this. Come comment and talk about hey, you go here, man. Go look company and a ship somewhere else, Rasta. None of there's a phone, no, man. No mad, man. Me and none of the same thing. No time, no shape, no way, shape or farm, man. Oh, I'm tell you. It's like you walk up tell me, say no, pedophilia, and gun crime are the same thing. Some of you just look on the whole way as criminal and just accept and just know say, yo, the whole way a criminal. And him should have been my friend because I him commit a crime. We supposed to assault. Hey, no go with that. You know, dirty, sick, twisted mentality. You know, see it. Me done with done you know, but Ninja man. See you're the worst thing ever happened to music. Well, this is the worst thing ever happened to music. It's a dirty waste of space. A dirty, big-head, rusty waste of space, man. We rate the same way in youth, but the humanity, you know me, but still have to show you love and respect. You see, love, not much respect. You only have respect for the life and the breath where you breathe. You see, because the whole way have to do that. And the same thing keep the whole way going. You see, but really and truly, your characteristics and your potential, I don't rate that. Not your potential. I rate your potential, but your output. You see, the footprint on Jamaica as a youth, I don't rate it. Now, he's a man who most of your song them. Furthermore, I bluff your way through life. I bluff your badness. I bluff your your artistry for the most side. Just the performance part it can be a bluff. You see, but your writing ability, your recording ability, all of them things they are bluff. You see, the intro, everything a bluff. You know, plan and sit down and you know, rationally construct nothing. I just a stroke of luck and the blessings from the Almighty and things like that make most of the things them jam the way they do. You know, see, but really and truly, yeah, mediocre talent. You see, mediocre. You see, the best part of your performance ability. You see, your recording ability, yeah, but Your lyrical content, them and all of them things they are rubbish. Man, you know a catchphrase and like a poke up me in a jam and a revivalist thing them and them thing there. You go so boop and turn back way and twist around and turn around and sing and make. And them a food, we don't mind, we love that. You see, cause we love get a youth when them push out or find a way to come out of the struggle regardless of how, as long as them come out of it peacefully, humbly and meaningfully. Yeah, in a business. We love it. You see. However, you probably somewhere in the recess of your mind, you think that level of intelligence every Jamaican have and them accept and appreciate that level and I eat this and I am the I am. And you can be able to represent or articulate the feelings or the oppression somewhat. You see, so you charge on yourself with a big ego, fake self-confidence and fake self-esteem, because regardless of what people think about you, you know who you are. You see it. You see it. And you're showing appreciation and making a level of contribution. You're showing appreciation for inspire there. You see, take advantage. I take it for granted. See? Think you're naive, poor people naive. But no, poor people they kind of see as a clown youth. I tell you the truth. You see, and we love it and we roll with it and we make your name a food and live comfortable. You see, but it's like you just take that as you know, I said, they know if put it, now I want to go here and hold it back. You see, and even so doing right through the time you keep going and coming out prison, going and coming out prison. But then a GP when you come in there in the 90s, mid-90s to the late part of the 90s. And I tell you, me and you now I gotta admit to the world, I'm want you challenge this. No man in a GP never rate you. No bad man in the never rate you. Allow me to tell. No bad man in the never rate you. You come down little like a squid. You see. You not smoke no coke or no crack no nothing. I be a mediocre prisoner. You live with and run around with like mega standard. You couldn't come up at top, come among some bad man, come hang out too tough or go on like you want associate. Man, I have you off. And for the simple fact say you visit prison like so well then. Like you think it's a better rose, like you show people out the road, so it's a better rose. You see, man, in there we see you come in and come out and come back in there, come see me and I'm struggle. And the man them have you, the man them see as a boy, them not have you up with them that hate you. But even until to this day, you can't get back the ratings from real top man, bad man prisoner. Me I tell you, so them used to look down upon you. You know that too, I want to you. You know that too, man never used to rate you, man used to treat you like any ordinary mediocre prisoner upon the black, upon the passage. You see, we're above the bowers them. I saw we used to treat Ninjaman at JP in the 90s. Zebra did that too. I not say the man run behind him and this him and box him. No man no dare do that and to that level there. But I say the regard where you have for a man of such character, for instance, for the first time he would come in a prison. For instance, if I was say a Papa Sanded or a Lieutenant City, Admiral Bailey or one of them big men the same way during them time. Back here, you know, come a prison. You know, see. The man them would have deal with them with more kindness, more respectability. You know, see it? Not because Ninjaman come to prison all the while from there that same know the whole prison system stay and everything. The man them just don't respect the fact say this youth here take this thing for granted and him as an icon. Like he must try show say there's some level of enjoyment in this. Why him should I try use film experience and in platform for expose the atrocities and the nastiness them we are going in there. Cause no gunman, no prisoner, no dog out from nowhere. No lie, nothing about prison. You know see, but Ninjaman only come back there for the boost, coming out the suffering and things like that, leave out time, spoil the world. And mess around the people out there because he knew him can come to prison and it add to him accolades when him go back out there. You know see it? And there are enough cases, I wait him come to a rehab him come. Because he can't to get no crack and coke in him because he want to size up and look like him a big man and them the way there and try maintain a certain level of respect. You know? Him not gonna mess with that in there because in there so again anything will diminish your respect in there, you know, want to play with it, you know, because your respect mean life and death. Your character in a prison mean life and death. And you don't know when it get blemish. And usually your own character, your character where you know, get blemish, you know. And a man come kill you for it, you know, because you blemish your own character, you know. I mean, I hear a character, you know. But it's like the knock-on effect where that have. Cause so well then if you flap yourself last week, you know, and this week people find out, you know, you see all of the damage you're doing between the time the association them and who you chat to or link with, get things, take things from and them something there becomes now a whole part of the cause the man is basically like them want to see revenge cause them tell themselves say you whether you didn't know say you're bow or not. And your responsibility should keep yourself out of the way. You know see it? So when I say about a guy like Ninjaman, man, you're worthless, man. Me nah no ratings for you, yeah, and you still sitting in the right here now when I try to play this innocent role. Yeah, you're innocent, even when you're innocent, yes. Have some mercy upon the youth, the out here, and the people out here. Come out on yourself. Come out on a rich, exotic, spoiled life. Both Vibes Cartel, Ninjaman, and Tommy Lee. We are suffer a pity them. When you come back out on a spoil life, the richness where poor people impart upon you, make you benefit and live off. Come back out of them lifestyle there. And come back down the ground to poor people and one can relate to people, so the people them need, and put some effort into this. I want them to know when you're not ready to jump and go about when poor people represent a poor people. Which part of poor people? Oh, we not represent poor, we not work for poor people, now work for the status quo. I want to maintain it very well. Guardians of the gate. You see it? You can't tell me that. You can't beat you on a bush and come tell me no stupidness like so well. Me and eat that slung outside and wait for one for direction. No man, you mad man, me not do that man, no boy, money can't sway my perception, man. You see, me a reality me see, and all of the DJ them too. All of the rest of artists them out there sit down on them backside and wait for a collaboration with Cartel. And now call out all them guys and make them know say you wanna do better, man. And our bowers and our bumbo hole, man, and do better. I want them to know. Which boss? Boss for who, as a matter of fact. You see? Boss for who and how? How you can appropriate your bossism. For who? And how that will benefit you. How that will benefit your growth. Positively moving on from this. And all them little things there. You see? Fix up on yourself, man. You see, fool the youth them and live like star and them think the while fool picking them. I wait for dead. When I know that we don't know no more, you know. When I know that we don't know no more. You know see, when I know that we don't know no more. I see him now for stick sheep, stick goat too, you know. I want to have to remember say, life cheap. Life cheap at Jamaica now, you know. And not just anybody life cheap. Everybody life cheap. Including yours. You know see. So I feel like some of the day they go out with themselves and go out with the thing and upset people like us. And just feel like it's the same like, oh, Uno get upset at the things that Uno do. To satisfy, for no ego. Like we don't have ego to and we won't do it. £100, £200, £300, £500. You know, just put a finger upon the life, what the life worth. A Jamaica that. You see it? Just put a figure upon it and just know say, Uno alone put that amount of value upon a life. You have some youth out there where it no value nothing to them. You see it? And nobody the youth them loving the song to one, but them love them belly more. And them love the clocks them want to sing about and the vanity them want to sing about more. So the youth them will take the whatever them a get. Cause them hungry. You see it? And the man them can help them and point them in a true and right direction. Nah, help them. What you think? You think every day you can enjoy? You think enjoyment and amount of your hunger and all pum you get and you know want that. You see, you can't handle that as a matter of fact. I better you are gonna fail. So I better you just chill until you get some food. You see? So you think you can sing and smile at some man face and go on like hey and play and like I eat that. When them hungry, like you can tell a man say, I mean name Cartel, I mean name Tommy Lee, I mean name Ninjaman, I mean the DJ, Jamaica is not a terrible state of affairs, man. And some of a blind boy are going like, I play blind and I go on like you not see. I like you not a role and responsibility in the whole happenings of thing. Yes, you shouldn't have no responsibility because politicians should have created a whole heap more distraction and influential than yourself. But we don't have that as a people. So what we are do? They don't go hell because our politicians them now work for it. No, boy, hey boy, you fix up on yourself in the corner and a bad man. And a be a lie and a sing. Be a lie and a sing. You see, Cartel in the jail suffer like dog from the other day because I'm rich. You see, for them go to prison, they suffer like and I live like dog. The whole of them I live like dog behind bars. You see, and then they are glamorize it and still are. You see it, and now make poor people know, poor people children know where them benefit so much from. Now point out to poor people the real ramification of them action. You see, now admit say, we don't business for no one admit say one in the wrong, because that's a criminal and legal issues, that different. You see, but regardless whether on the wrong or right, you have to observe the state of affairs and accept a certain level of responsibility to a sovereign island. We're not supposed to be pioneers. We're not supposed to be patriots of. You see, we don't want to go on like say America or England don't come from and just stuck at Jamaica because our parents wicked. You see, them sending them down there for to stay for a bit. Most of the rich people when they get money to deal with Jamaica like so well then. You know? No, not even just with as soon as some progress starts show, as soon as people, everybody from Jamaica start see a bit of progress, them act like Jamaica. Boy, I tell you see it. Me don't know if I put it in another way. You see it and I get quite upset and I love try communicate with things on a emotionless level. When it seems like me I take no side or not like that. You see it. But a serious fire I put on Ninjaman, man, and Tamale and the whole of them. I can't sorry for rich people who do some little petty crime and go to prison. After me an idiot. Me a fan boy. You mad? Me not run behind us people. A regular me see man do one tune and get hype up there and by next year or a couple times nobody don't know nothing boy a year boy him again. You see? A fan 20-year fan boy them type of thing. I mean in them thing there. You see? Me not run behind people because again even I and I cannot say this today and tomorrow morning me wake up wrong. I saw life going up. You see, no man not perfect. No man don't know what tomorrow might bring. You see, so where some man where show them qualities, show them desire, them where them deal, where them a deal, where them love, where them prefer. Why me now if I go jump up and put myself out of the way if I go celebrate or hide the fact because me feel like say me is a fan of some boy. No man. No man. If you don't want to be fan, stay. Me not stop no man or criticize the man from being fan or nobody from being fan. You see? You see? But be rational man and be critical thinkers man. Me not ask you to bash your artist in support of my argument. You see? But stop diminish your intelligence. You see, I come up with some unintelligible counter argument in regards to the benefit and the wider vast majority of the people that we are dealing. You see, so jump on a one catchphrase or a one sentence in the argument and then use like so well then it had the whole tone of the conversation. You know, I mean that we don't know. You see, you know, and then in that because we know better. You see. Yeah, man, some artists at time now, if you get some baseball bat, man, I would love be in a position where, yeah, baseball bat, man. And if I fix up, man, I'm not a bad man, man. I hunger some bad man in a prison to them hungry and broke. You see? And the help and assistance for someone who can provide. Why? Now for you get beaten already. Because me there prison and see how people. I mean, nobody now walk to Ninjaman and this man, nothing like that, but me I say, man, just there and yes, so when you look around and when them a pass, I in your face and things like that, you don't know, man. Don't know. But they're like, Ninja, what go on, Ninja, yo, no. You know, him not get that level of adoration there, that respect there. You know, see, people just don't say I him that and I know. You see, people more look down upon him. I saw people look upon, I saw a real bad man prisoner. Look upon successful people who come to prison with contempt. Especially when you perpetually keep doing it over and over, like several in the world like you that are like you, like a no man no love prison, no man no advise it, encourage it or nothing like that. You see, every man, every gangster, real gangster, take the opportunity to dissuade people from ever try get themselves in such an environment, regardless of them status out there in the world. You see, when see some boy there in the suffering, some man when near money off of poor people, eat food and I enjoy them big rich life, them and them children, and still sit down there and now make no attempt to address the suffering and the struggle and the atrocities where the youth them out there. Hey boy, some man a wicked, dirty boy with a dead at prison too. That's one of the turn and dead. You see, yes I. Now the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty. Fire! Rastafari. Share, like, and subscribe. You see.